Hey guys, so Energizer, one of the largest battery manufacturers in the world, is gearing up to release a device called the Energizer P28K. And according to the leaked specs, this device would pack a 28,000 mAh battery, which is very impressive. It's nothing new, especially when it comes to rugged phones, but it's still mind-blowing. The device would also feature a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display. The device is going to feature a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 60MP primary sensor. On the front, it would feature a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. So the phone is going to be rated IP68 and IP69, and it's going to ship with the Android 14 operating system. So all the features of the phone includes Wi-Fi, gyroscope, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, OTG, and so on like that. So these are the leaked details of the Energizer P28K. Once I get more details about this device, I'll definitely update you guys. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Energizer P28K? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to get the latest tech updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.